Good morning, class 8. Again, we are back to us to a new video about the same chapter, that is networking. In earlier videos, I have told you about what is network, what is types of network, how useful, how the network is useful to us, what are the basic things we use in network. So how we are connected to each other with the network, and what are the components. Nowadays we are going through what are the components of networks. Already I have explained you the network interface and hubs. Okay, now today I will explain you about the 3 point, that is switches, media and router. Okay, these 3 points I will explain you today, because in the previous video if you are having any problem in any point, please comment on the comment box and try to tell me the exact point where you are having the problem, so that I can explain you again. And girls, after finishing this chapter I will give you a small recap of this chapter, so that all the points which are not able to understand by you, it may clarify your points. Okay, so if you are having any problem in the previous video, you are free to comment on the comment box. So coming back to our chapter, that is network. In that we are talking about the components of the network. Already 2 points have been explained to you, that is network interface and second is the hub. Now the third point is switches. Now word switch comes our mind. You have seen in your houses there are switch to so many switches are there, and each switch has their different functions. Yes, each switch have its different function. हर एक switch का अपना एक function होता है, जैसे फैन, लाइट्स, ओके, और अगर स्मॉल लाइट्स है या कोई और अदर लाइट्स जैसे कलरफुल लाइट्स है, ये सब के अलग अलग स्विचेस होते हैं. तो स्विच इज नॉट दैट वी आर ट्रांसमिटिंग एनी इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम वन साइड टू अनदर, जस्ट इट इज गिविंग द command. Okay, it is passing the information to the correct destination. It is passing the information, sending the information to the correct destination. Like when we switch on the switch of a fan, the fan will on, not the light. Okay, अगर हम switch on fan का switch on करते हैं तो fan on होता है, light on नहीं होता है. अगर हम टीवी का स्विच ऑन करते हैं तो टीवी का मेन पावर ऑन होता है. ठीक है, और कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चीज़ ऑन नहीं हो जाता है. टीवी, क्योंकि हम टीवी का स्विच ऑन किए हैं, तो स्विच इज द वे ऑफ सेंडिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन टू द करेक्ट डेस्टिनेशन. It is not sending the information from one to another. It is just giving the information. It is sending the information to the correct destination. Okay, and it can be in any type of switches. Okay, अब UPS का भी स्विच होता है, मॉनिटर का भी स्विच होता है. ओके, स्विच डिफरेंट होते हैं. फैन के स्विच होते हैं, लाइट्स के स्विचेस, सबके अलग अलग स्विचेस होते हैं. ईच एंड एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट हैज इट्स डिफरेंट स्विचेस. So it does work according to that switches. Okay, so switch is not that we are transmitting the information from one computer to another. It's just sending the information to the correct destination. Okay, clear? Next comes the media. Media is like the cables which are attached to the electronic modes. Okay, there are different type of cables. Okay, and different type of cables have different function, that wires which are twisted with each other. अब वायर्स के अंदर, वायर के ऊपर प्लास्टिक कुछ रैप रहता है, उसके अंदर पतले पतले वायर्स होते हैं. ओके, वो वायर्स ट्विस्ट होते हैं, एक दूसरे से होते हैं ना, एंड दैट कनेक्ट्स द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गुड्स. Okay, each and every, you can see when we are connecting the electricity, then it connects with different positive and negative direction. Okay, so switches, the medias are the cables which are connecting the electronic goods, that, and each and having every category केबल्स में भी कैटेगरी होते हैं. अगर अच्छे केबल होते हैं तो वो सालों तक टिकते हैं. They survive for long. Okay, if the cables are in good quality, then it will work for a long time. Okay, but if it is not in a good quality, it is not a good quality, then it will not, it will affect your electrics, electric things. Okay, so we have to see the better quality also. In computer also, internet or in networking also, the cables are more important thing, because it is connecting the devices which are used to connect the network. Okay, so there are different type of category of the cables, like cat 5, cat 6, cat 7. These are the categories. It is that the higher will be the bandwidth the cable can be supported. जितना हाई उसकी क्वालिटी होगी उतना अच्छा आपका कनेक्टिविटी होगा, उतनी जल्दी आपकी कनेक्टिविटी होगी. एज द हाई द क्वालिटी विल बी हाई, द कनेक्टिविटी विल बी मोर बेटर. ओके, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं कोई भी क्वालिटी लेने से, कोई भी सामान लेने से पहले उसकी क्वालिटी हम चेक करते हैं ताकि वो सामान अच्छे से यूज़ हो सके, अच्छे से काम कर सके. ठीक है, अगर क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं होती है तो वो ज़्यादा दिन नहीं टिक पाती है, लेकिन अगर क्वालिटी अच्छी होगी तो वो ज़्यादा दिन काम करेगा. सो इफ द केबल्स क्वालिटी इज गुड, इट विल कनेक्टिविटी विल बी स्मूथ. ओके, इफ द क्वालिटी इज नॉट गुड, द कनेक्टिविटी विल फेस सम प्रॉब्लम. क्लियर? लास्ट पॉइंट इज राउटर. ओके, राउटर, when we are talking about the network, we used to connect all the information. We have to connect the internet. Okay, when we are connecting the internet, then we need something to connect the internet, like internet, like Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi and net packs. Okay, so for this is the connectivity, and for that, if for computer, like when you are using the laptops and computers, for that we need a source to connect the internet. For that we use modems or dongles. Wireless internet Wi-Fi is there, so Wi-Fi we use the router. For that we use the router, and router is to connect the internet. It is used for LAN. LAN is local area network. I will further explain you more about how many types of networkings are there. So first is LAN, local area network, means in one place it will work. Like at your home, if you are connecting the Wi-Fi, then at your home only that Wi-Fi will work. As you go out from your home, as you went from there, then your Wi-Fi is disconnected. It is not now connected with you. If you are in the school now, that Wi-Fi of the school is connected with you, not your home's Wi-Fi. It is not connected with you because it is LAN. It is only for the one area. Something is one building. Okay, like your smart boards. Your smart boards are used for your own school, for the school only. The server is working for this only, not for the other schools. Okay, so that Wi-Fi is used for your school only. Okay, it is not working for Carmel school or that St. Joseph. Only your Carmel Inter College is working on that. So that is called the LAN, that is local area network. Clear? So switches which used to send the information to the correct destination. Okay, it is not transferring the information from one computer to another computer. Next is the media. Media is the cables which are connected the sources to the networks. Okay, so better the quality, better the connections. And router is the main part where we connect the internet to work. Okay, so these are the 3 points. These are the 3 points. So all the components of networking are over. First was internet network interface. Second was hub. Third is switches. Fourth is media, and fifth is router. So these are the 5 points of components of internet. Next we will start with types of network. Just now I told you about LAN. So same, we will start with different types of, there are 6 types of networks, that is LAN, PAN, MAN, CAN, WAN and SAN. There are 6 types of networking. What are the 6 types of networking are there? Networks are there. That is, first is LAN, then first is PAN, then LAN, third is MAN, fourth is CAN, fifth is WAN, and sixth is SAN. Full form: PAN, Personal Area Network; LAN, Local Area Network; MAN, Metropolitan Area Network; CAN, Campus Area Network; WAN, Wide Area Network; and SAN, System Area Network. Okay. So first is PAN, that is Personal Area Network; LAN, Local Area Network; MAN, Metropolitan Area Network; CAN, Campus Area Network; WAN, Wide Area Network; and SAN, System Area Network. So different networks, different features. So in the next video I will continue with this. Today we will stop here. Please girls, go through this video properly. If you are having any problem, please comment on the comment box. If you have not understood any point, please comment on that this point I have not understood, so that I can explain again. So for today, that's it.